What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I recorded a video for y'all. I still have not got a new phone yet, and I still have not replaced my broken phone because Apple was leaving me to run around talking about being out of stock and telling me I only have a certain amount of time to come get a phone once they got it in stock. It was just absolute nonsense. It was nonsense. Trying to put it on letting y'all see my address. Today I'm going to be reviewing a vacuum. It's a car vacuum for my car because I eat in my car and I want to be able to vacuum it whenever I need to. Probably multiple times a week. The table is dirty. There's crumbs on it because I just ate food. I'm gonna clean that up. But right now, I want to stop procrastinating making this video. I'm really not happy with this lighting. But you know what? Actually, let me get up and try to fix it. This is the vacuum that I bought. It does come with attachments. Actually, it's supposed to come with attachments, but Amazon has fucked up so many times. I'm just annoyed at this point. Let me read it really quickly to see if the description was accurate. The details are non-existent. Oh my fucking goodness. We're just gonna open this shit and take a look at it. Let me move my camera first. Oh shit. Okay, I'm back. I am back. This is much better. Yet again, I don't have my glasses on. I don't like glasses. They're not a necessity. They're just helpful. Okay, let's open this vacuum. This came from Amazon, like I said previously. And on multiple occasions recently, I have ordered stuff off of Amazon and the description did not match what was text. And y'all know they don't let anybody sell shit on Amazon. This is much smaller than what it looks like on the box, but also online. And it does come with attachments like the description said. Now this right here, this is helpful. I want to be able to vacuum in between my seats, under the seats, because I just like to keep my car clean. The vacuums at the gas stations, I don't like to use those. Number one, they're often broken, and number two, I don't want to be, you know, hanging around a gas station. You feel me? Even if it is to clean my car. Okay, now, so the angle with which this was angled made it seem like it was small. This is not that small. This is not that small to the size. So it looks like I won't be returning this, which was the point. I hope y'all can't see all them crumbs on the table. Alright, y'all, let's take this out. I'm really into unboxing videos, but I'm also into saving money. But I also like everybody in my business. So I'm gonna just stick to unboxing videos. This is really nice. Let me see what this is. Hold on. Anyways, there's this. I might, if I remember, get up and show it to you. Actually, I'll show it to y'all now. I don't want to have too much like editing to do. I might edit out the let me do it this way. There we go. I don't want y'all seeing the barcode. That shit is. I don't want y'all seeing the barcode. Let's move it over. Okay, y'all. So, okay. Actually, I left something in the box. This right here. I left my other bottle of water upstairs. I touched the plate that I'm supposed to put my mouth on so many times. I don't even want that shit. It comes with this. You can plug it in your car. I honestly prefer battery operated vacuums, but I guess this is good too because you can save money like that. Batteries are expensive. For all you people who don't buy batteries, I'm telling you now, batteries are expensive. They literally hold power and electricity type shit. Anyways, let's take a look at this. This is real good. I feel like this, I don't even know what to call it. This this model, this design, I feel like this design for handheld vacuum cleaners is common, so I'm not gonna keep showing y'all this shit. Let's open it for the nosy people. Y'all see the filter and that other shit inside, that's part of the filter. Let's put this back together. That's what that looks like. Let's put this back together. Y'all are familiar with this already. So like I just went over this right here. This should look familiar too. And then you have these different attachments. There's this one right here. And there's this one right here. We saw that already. And there's this one right here. It's cold right now. Oh, and it's late too. But I don't want to procrastinate making this video anymore. This right here, the two attachments that I'll probably use the most are these. I thought this would be more flexible. This feels very fragile. It feels fragile. This plastic right here is super hard and sturdy, but this middle portion feels fragile. So I don't know how that's gonna work. Hopefully it will. Okay, so I was going to plug this up and show y'all how well it works, but it does not come with the regular attachment to plug into the wall, but it should have. Hold on, let me find out. Let me figure out how to put this in here. I'm very confused right now. Hold on. I'm missing a piece. Maybe I should have looked at the picture. That would have been helpful. I need to wash my hair. I'm going to wash my hair. But yeah. Okay. I was gonna say initially I'm uncertain, not sure if this belongs in there, but it slid in. And you know what? This is very interesting because what the fuck is this shit for? Oh my goodness, this is so funny. I don't even know where to plug this shit in. Do y'all see? Oh, right here. This is very funny. Let me go ahead and I should have more information on the box, but I literally showed y'all that it does not have much information on the box. Let's look at this pamphlet that's in black and white, of course. Not that it matters, but whatever. You know what? I forgot to put more chapstick on. I also forgot to take my stuff out of my pockets because it's never good to have too much stuff in your pockets. It's not cute at all. That's why I need to get a new bag. I'm gonna get a new bag soon. This is my favorite chapstick. I've been thinking about doing a hygiene routine, but I really don't want to do one. I just feel like it's not gonna work for everybody. So you can just figure out a good routine faster, you know. Oh, it's a chargeable vacuum. I don't like that. I prefer battery operated. Even though batteries are expensive. And I know I keep looking away. But that's because I'm looking in front of me and it's blurry. So it's not really. I have my other that's what I'm using right now, and it doesn't go down any further, so it's further away from me since this is how I could best get this angle. Bottom line, usually I'm like looking at the video, but this time since it's blurry, I'm not really. Let's bring these crumbs back over here. Good thing they're here. Let's vacuum this shit up. Let's vacuum this. I'm gonna use this attachment only because this is what I'll be using in my car, and I'll be sticking it in between the seats and everything. We're just gonna test it out. So I know I didn't hold the vacuum properly, but it doesn't matter. That was not the point of me testing it out. But it got the job done. I'm honestly very tired and I really want to go to sleep. But I also really want to make a video. Oh my goodness, y'all. Why did I not open this until now? So let's revisit this. There's this for the car, and then there's this right here, and it's a rechargeable handheld vacuum. I don't know what to use this on. I definitely need to vacuum my seats, but I have cloth seats, so I don't want to like use this on my seats. I don't know. I don't think it would make sense because I don't want to smear in whatever's on the seat with the brushes. So we will see. We will see. Okay, this video was very short. It says 15 minutes, but when I edit it, it'll probably be much shorter. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff. I was gonna put it in the box. I'm gonna put these attachments in this bag right here. I'm gonna get a Ziploc bag, which we don't have large Ziploc bags in the house right now. So yeah. So when I do get a large Ziploc bag, I'm gonna go ahead and put all my attachments in there so that I can keep up with my stuff. And I'm going to put this in my trunk. Actually, no, I'm not gonna put it in my trunk because I want to be very organized, and I don't want to make a habit out of stopping what the fuck I'm doing in the middle of the day while I'm out to vacuum my car. No, so this is gonna stay in the house actually, so that I can maximize my storage space in my car, and so that I don't catch myself vacuuming shit in the middle of the day, trying to keep my car clean. But basically my car is very clean for the most part, and I want to keep it that way. So the point is I want to keep it clean, but I don't want to be wasting time always like over cleaning and stuff. I'm not making a habit out of that. This is something where I can like do it on Sundays or like Fridays or something. So yeah, and it's gonna save me a lot of money, which I need to save. When I go to the car wash, I always get the cheapest car wash. I get my car vacuumed and I get the outside washed. I don't need to do that. The outside does not need to be washed as often as the inside needs to be vacuumed. So I don't want to be paying all the money because it adds up. Because I'll be eating in my car and I can wait till I'm also gonna clean that shit up. But whatever. Alright, this concludes this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Certain, you know, this. Anyways, I will try next time not to make my video when I'm this tired, because I really want to give y'all quality videos. And yeah, this concludes my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing clothing hauls probably starting in August. I'll probably start doing clothing hauls in August or September, but right now I wanted to share with y'all something that I just added to my belongings. I don't know what term to use because, you know, I don't know. But inventory, I guess we can use that term. I just added this to my inventory and it's gonna help save me a lot of money. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, follow me on TikTok. Although I have more than 1,000 subscribers, I am not monetized because I do not have 4,000 watch hours. So you can help me out if you would like. If not, oh well, I don't care, because I'm gonna get them watch hours from somebody else watching it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's cut this video off.